Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, we will talk about building dreams, developing the right mindset before building your dream house. Good day to you! If bago ka sa channel ko, I'm Engineer Fred Jumampo, a licensed civil engineer and a contractor with 13 years of experience in the field of construction. Today, we will talk about something very important before you even start building your dream house. And that is the mindset. Bakit nga ba napakahalaga na paghandaan natin ang ating pag-iisip bago simulan ang pagtayo ng ating pinapangarap na bahay? At ano-ano nga ba ang mga tamang pag-iisip bago at habang nagko-construction? I will share 3 parts on developing the right mindset before building your dream house. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. Part 1, why developing the mindset is important. Ang tamang mindset ay parang foundation ng dream house project mo. Bakit nga ba? 1 is understanding the commitment. Building your dream house is not just a financial investment. It's a long-term commitment. Kailangan mong maunawaan na hindi ito madali at madalas may mga pagsubok na darating. Developing the right mindset prepares you to stay committed and focused despite the challenges. Building a house involves numerous steps and stages, each requiring careful attention and decision-making. From designing and planning to purchasing materials and managing labor, bawat hakbang ay mahalaga. When you have the right mindset, you're better prepared to handle the complexities and ensure the project progresses smoothly. Why developing the right mindset is important? Because for you to become emotionally prepared. Maraming emosyon ang kasangkot sa pagbuo ng bahay. Excitement, stress, frustration, and joy. By developing the right mindset, you can manage these emotions better. Hindi mawawala ang stress, pero mas madali mo naman itong mahaharap. It's crucial to recognize that building a house can be emotionally challenging. There will be moments of joy when you see your visions taking shape, but there will also be moments of frustration when things don't go as planned. Having a positive mindset helps you to stay balanced and keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. You can tackle challenges head-on and celebrate small victories along the way. Why developing the right mindset is important? Because for you to have a clear vision. Having a clear vision of what you want helps in making informed decisions. Kung malinaw sa iyo ang gusto mong mangyari, mas madali kang makakapagplano at magdidesisyon. This reduces the chances of costly changes and delays. A clear vision acts as a roadmap for your project. It allows you to visualize the end result and make choices that align with your overall goals. This vision guides you through the decision-making process, ensuring that every choice you make, from the layout and the materials to the design features, contributes to achieving your dream home. It allows you to visualize the end result and make choices that align with your overall goals. Part 2. The mindset before construction. Diyan na papasok ang tinatawag natin na goal setting. Before construction, set clear and realistic goals. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mong bahay? Gaano kalaki? Anong style? These goals will guide every decision you make. Siguraduhin na ang mga goals na ito ay nakapaloob sa loob ng iyong budget at timeline. Setting specific goals helps you define the scope of your project. Whether you envision a modern, minimalist home or a cozy, traditional house, having a clear goals ensures that everyone involved in the project understand your expectations. These goals should be also realistic and attainable within your budget and timeline. Another one is the mindful budgeting. Mind your finances. Maglaan ng sapat na budget hindi lamang para sa materyales, kundi pati na rin sa labor at unforeseen expenses. Plan for at least 10 to 20% more than your initial budget to cover unexpected cost. Huwag kalimutang isaalang-alang ang mga permit at legal fees. Creating a comprehensive budget is essential to avoid financial stress during construction. List down all potential expenses, including materials, labor, permits, and legal fees. Remember, unexpected costs can arise, so it's wise to allocate an additional 10 to 20% of your budget as a contingency fund. This cushion will help you handle any surprises without compromising the quality of your build. Another mindset you need to set is the research and planning. Do your homework. Alamin ang mga detalye tungkol sa construction process, from design to completion. Research about materials, contractors, and even the latest home trends. Ang mas marami kang alam, mas maganda ang magiging resulta ng iyong bahay. Thorough research and planning can significantly impact the success of your project. Learn about the different stages of construction, the type of materials available, and the reputations of potential contractors. Being well-informed allows you to make educated decisions and ensure that your home is built to the highest standards. Another mindset you need to have is to have patience. Understand that this process will take time. Hindi ito overnight process. There will be delays and unexpected issues. Patience will help you stay calm and make better decisions under pressure. Patience is a virtue, especially in construction. Understand that building a house is a complex process that takes time. Delays and unexpected issues are part of the journey, but maintaining patience will help you navigate these challenges with a clear mind. Rushing through decisions can lead to mistakes, so take your time to ensure everything is done correctly. And the part 3 is the mindset during construction. Be ready to adapt. This might not always go as planned. Sometimes, kailangan mong baguhin ang plano dahil sa unexpected issues. Being flexible helps you to cope with the changes without too much stress. Flexibility is crucial during the construction phase. While having a solid plan is important, it's equally essential to adapt when unexpected issues arise. Being open to changes and adjustments ensures that your project can move forward smoothly, even when faced with unforeseen challenges. Another one is the communication. Maintain an open and constant communication with your contractor and team. Regular updates and meetings will help ensure that everyone is on the same page. This avoids misunderstandings and keeps the project on track. Mahalaga ang malinaw na komunikasyon upang maiwasan ang mga pagkakamali at aberya. Effective communication is the backbone of a successful construction project. Regularly check in with your contractor and team to discuss progress, address concerns, and make necessary adjustments. Clear and open communication minimizes misunderstandings and ensures that everyone involved is working towards the same goal. Another mindset and you need to have and develop is attention to detail. Keep an eye on the details. Sometimes the little things make a big difference in overall quality and finish of your home. Regular site visits can help you monitor the progress and catch any issues later. Paying attention to details can significantly impact the quality of your home. Regular site visits allow you to monitor the progress and addresses any issues before they become major problems. Whether it's the alignment of the tiles or the finish of the paint, small details contribute to the overall excellence of your house. You need to have and develop the mindset of problem solving. Napaka-importante niyan. Construction is a problem-solving process, Expect issues to arise and be prepared to address them calmly and efficiently. Ang bawat problema ay may solusyon. It's important to stay solution-oriented and not let issues derail your project. Embrace the mindset that every problem has a solution. During construction, issues will inevitably arise, but approaching them with a solution-oriented mindset will help you overcome obstacles effectively. Rather than panicking, assess the situation, consider the options, and make informed decisions to keep the project on track. Finally, this is the best part. Enjoy the journey. Building your dream house is unique and rewarding experience. Celebrate the milestones and appreciate the progress. Huwag masyadong mag-focus sa stress. Instead, enjoy every step of turning your dream into reality. Remember to enjoy the process. Building your dream home is a significant milestone in your life, and it's important to savor the journey. Celebrate these milestones from laying the foundation to the final touches. By focusing on the positive aspects and appreciating the progress, you can turn the construction experience into a memorable and fulfilling adventure. In summary, developing the right mindset is crucial before and during the construction of your dream house. It prepares you for the commitment, helps you manage emotions, and guides you in making informed decisions. Remember to set clear goals, manage your budget, be flexible, communicate well, pay attention to details, solve problems effectively, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa ating discussion today. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me directly. Maraming salamat at magandang araw ulit sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Whoops! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on a construction project management. Until next time, paalam!